All right, welcome back. We have just done our first row of decreases. We are starting to close in our hat here. And as you can see, the hat is starting to draw in because of your decreased rows. So as you can see, you're getting the start of your crown there. Okay, so round 16 is just another decrease row, but I wanted to make sure before you go ahead, I wanted to give you a little tip here on this decrease. So I finished my last one, and what you want to do is you want to slip stitch into that first double crochet two together, or that first double crochet decrease. So you're going to slip stitch in there and then start your decreasing. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to chain 3, and then you're going to double crochet decrease into the next one. So wrap your yarn around your hook, insert it into the next stitch, draw the yarn through, wrap it around, draw through 2 loops. Okay, then you're going to wrap it around your hook and go into the next double crochet decrease here. Wrap it around, pull it through. You have 4 loops on your hook. You're going to wrap it around, draw through 2, and then wrap it around, draw through 3, and there you have your double crochet decrease, or double crochet 2 together. Okay, so you're just going to do that around. You're going to wrap the yarn around your hook, go into the next stitch, wrap it around, pull it through. You got 3 loops. You're going to wrap the yarn around it and pull through 2. Wrap the yarn around, go into the next stitch, wrap it around, pull it through. You have 4 loops on your hook. You're going to wrap it around, draw through 2, wrap it around, draw through 3. Okay, so again, you wrap it around, insert it into the next stitch, wrap it around, draw through. You have 3 loops. You're going to wrap the yarn around and draw through 2. Wrap the yarn around your hook, go into the next stitch, pull it through. You have 4 loops. Wrap it around, pull through 2. Wrap it around, pull through 3. Okay, so we're going to just do that around, and it's going to close in our crown a little bit more. And then here you can stick with the color that you started the decreases with, or you can switch to your main color. That's up to you. So I'm going to go ahead and go around a couple more times for those of you who need help still. For those of you who are moving on, be sure to post pictures, comments, questions in the comments section. I'd love to see how you're doing your crown. And I will see you back here for round 17. And this is where we will be doing the final round of decreases and closing the top of our hat. So be sure to come back for that. And I will see you for round 17. Okay, so we wrap our yarn around the hook, go into the next stitch, and be sure you get the next stitch. Wrap it around, pull it through. You have 3 loops. You want to wrap it around, pull through 2. Wrap your yarn around the hook, go into the next stitch, pull the yarn through. You have 4 loops. You want to wrap it around, pull through 2. Wrap it around, pull through 3. Okay, again, wrap your yarn around the hook, go into the next stitch, being careful not to hit that one that you just did. So wrap it around, pull through. You have 3 loops. Wrap your yarn around the hook and pull through 2. Wrap the yarn around the hook, go into the next stitch, pull it through. You have 4 loops. You're going to wrap it around, pull through 2. Wrap it around, pull through 3. Okay. And we just continue to do that around. I'm going to go ahead and finish my decreases. I will see you back here for round 17 and the closing of our hat.